After all those examples, it is now time for you to practice applying these techniques to charts covering previous price action. That way you can see the effects of applying and adjusting fib extensions, projections, and expanded fib retracements. Remember, there is often more than one way to arrive at very similar results. Different fib levels can approximate the same general areas depending on the fib technique and swing points chosen. It is also beneficial to practice with price action in the present and see the performance of your applied fib analysis under current market conditions without the benefit of hindsight. That is available when practicing with past price action. Perhaps it is most necessary to be reminded of fib analysis as approximating areas of opposition to a trend, and not a perfect tool for pinpointing the exact levels of tops and bottoms on a chart. Regardless of the fib level or levels used, it is always important to watch short-term developments at fib levels and take into account broader context. Best wishes and enjoy practicing Fibonacci price analysis techniques. May your technical analysis skills progress.